Oh shit, he's actually kind of high up. I'd be scared. I want one of them to fall. Just kidding.
Someone's having sex again. I know you're recording.
Yeah, I am. You look like you're stuck.
If you fall, your nuts are gonna get stuck on
If
that
you
tree.
fall, this is going on Tosh.0.
I can't believe you said that. Hey, here's a better brother.
I was joking.
Oh, brother.
For real though, I'll put it all over the internet.
I hope Daniel likes this one.
Oh my god.
That wasn't even good. You should have just fell. They're coming back.
Come on, I need to make millions off of something.
Hey, jump on these runners.
Yeah, when they walk by, just like jump on their back. Damn it, they didn't fall. Looks like we're not making millions today. Oh, never mind, they're still going.
Oh my, no, he is going to fall off.
You're gonna die.
Here, let's get out of the way.
Do you know?
You need help.
There's the first mess up. One of them's seriously gonna fall.
Bert's gonna fall first.
Yeah, look at him.
Hey, you guys want to enjoy the climb? Professional rock climb in the air.
Oh my god. He's like doing a handstand. I need to like zoom in. They're starting to get a little far away.
You're gonna fucking bust it. You guys are gonna fall.
I can like barely see you guys anymore. You're really high up.
Hey, where's Waldo?
Yeah, no, seriously, where is he? How did you get up there? Oh. How are you gonna get down now? What if he just jumped? That would be scary. Hey, wave to the camera. I'm gonna get a picture.